There are a number of potential health advantages of the very low-carb, high-fat, moderate protein ketogenic diet, including better blood glucose control and lower cravings. While some argue that keto may improve fat burning and enhance endurance, other speculators claim that it may deplete energy levels and make muscle development more difficult. This video discusses some of the ways the ketogenic diet might impact your workout. Although a ketogenic diet may not be ideal for high-intensity bursts of activity, it may improve endurance athlete performance in some studies. According to some studies, supplementing with ketone bodies may speed muscle regeneration and protein breakdown following endurance exercise. However, some studies have discovered that it may slow muscle recovery and reduce protein breakdown following endurance exercise. It has been documented that following a ketogenic diet may boost the body's fat-burning potential while exercising. In fact, a small study of competitive race walkers demonstrated that the ketogenic diet enhanced the body's capacity to metabolize fat during exercise, even at a variety of exercise intensities. However, these athletes experienced impaired exercise performance as a result of a ketogenic diet. The big portion of fat in the diet may explain why more calories are burned during exercise. In addition, fat has more calories per gram compared to carbs or protein. As with any diet, you must create a calorie deficit by reducing your calorie intake to eat fewer calories than you burn if you want to lose weight on the ketogenic diet. Several studies have shown that the ketogenic diet may speed up post-workout muscle recovery. While the ketogenic diet may have several benefits for athletic performance, there are some drawbacks to consider as well. Because your body's main energy source is carbohydrates, significantly lowering your carb intake is a big part of the ketogenic diet. This can negatively influence athletic performance and energy levels, particularly in the beginning stages of switching to fat as a fuel source instead of carbs. Athletes experienced an improvement in performance over time, as well as a reduction in energy levels, which returned to normal as time passed. You may have also noticed weight loss, improved recovery, and inflammation as a result of the ketogenic diet, but you may have had difficulty performing high-intensity workouts. In addition, other research has found that elevated ketone levels in the blood may result in fatigue and a reduced desire to exercise. In spite of its benefits for maintaining muscle mass, muscle growth may be more difficult on the ketogenic diet. It requires a significant amount of protein to boost muscle growth, which is necessary to stimulate muscle synthesis and tissue repair. While exact macronutrient ratios may change on the ketogenic diet, some versions may require reducing protein intake. The diet may result in athletes experiencing decreased energy levels at first, which improve over time. Although you may have experienced weight loss, better recovery, and less inflammation, you may have found it difficult to complete high-intensity runs. The results of other studies show that elevated blood ketone levels may cause fatigue and a desire to exercise. As opposed to maintaining muscle mass, maximizing muscle development may take a bit more effort on the ketogenic diet. This is because muscle development requires a large amount of protein to promote muscle synthesis and tissue repair. There are several forms of the ketogenic diet, but some of them may restrict protein consumption. It's often more difficult to get adequate protein and build muscle on a ketogenic diet because it tends to be low in calories. Carbohydrates are the primary energy source for high-intensity activities like running, boxing, swimming, and jumping rope. Therefore, it may not be the best diet for these activities. To get the most out of the ketogenic diet, make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. And if you are a true keto fanatic, hit the notification bell to learn more ways to include low-intensity, steady-state activities like walking, jogging, biking, rowing, and yoga in your routine. Although you may include any activity that you enjoy in your workout routine, certain high-intensity exercises may be more difficult on a keto diet. Thanks for watching.